We're gonna do some rock gardening, guys. Oh, just stepped in the mud and now taking my rocks with me. We're going. Wish I could let him go, but I can't. We are going to go gather some rocks. I've got some stuff on the front porch that is getting rotten. And I want to replace it, and it's going to take some time, so I gotta gather rocks. Come along. These are the beds that I was talking about. These have been here, yeah, as Jim says, it would be 360 years. Yep. And they're rotting away. So, you know, I see all these pretty rock things. This one's not bad over here too yet. Not, it's standing. So, but I don't know what it would look like if I just maybe I start with this one. This one's the worst, but it's really long. And a lot of it's just falling over, so let's just see what we can do. See that? I was trying to cover up this nail, so that's why I did that. Probably should be doing this because it's heavy. Oh, I did. So here's today's progress. I didn't really do anything with that other than set that old planter up there, and that way we have all of them there. Good sized worms up here under these rocks. Right. Let's see how that can go. Move on down the road. Oh, it's not turning out. This is gonna, oh, maybe this. Alright, let's go make our first load. Well, our first load to, can y'all even see? Nope. Can you see? Alright, I'm gonna stop for the day. Three big loads. I'm worn out. But I want to make it a lot taller than that, so we'll just keep rock gardening.